Guys, what a powerhouse day 4. That was some brilliant information being shared, and I have had such a great time listening to all these sessions and taking my own notes and just really learning so much about how to show up for your audience and make sure that you are out there in front of them, especially at that moment that they are trying to buy your products and services. So wow, this has been an absolutely phenomenal day. I cannot wait for day 5, which starts tomorrow morning, bright and early. And day 5 is all about putting yourself back on your calendar, taking those opportunities to do the mindset work, do the body work, do all of the work on yourself as an entrepreneur so you can step into that role and become that leader that you need to become in order to continue to systematize and scale your business. So you do not want to miss the sessions in tomorrow's last day of our summit for sure. Guys, definitely make sure my email is in your safe senders list, marissa@bizsystemsummit.com. You do not want to miss out on the emails that I am sending your way. And I'm trying to keep everybody up to date on what's happening. And as things are moving and shaking inside the summit, I'm trying to keep all of you up to date on that. Now, I am still in Facebook jail. So if you're trying to reach out to me on Facebook, please do not hesitate to send me a direct message. You're also welcome to reach out to any of the speakers. They're kind of on call. They understand that you guys are going to have questions. You know, many of you have already asked them questions and reached out to them, and I appreciate all that they are sharing with you. So definitely make sure you do that. If you're trying to reach me specifically, send me a direct message on Facebook. I can only respond to those. I cannot send you one. And then also feel free to reach out to me via email if you need me. So gearing up for day 5. This is the last day, guys. Now, the day 4 sessions will be available through tomorrow afternoon. Feel free to binge on all of those that you have time for. And for those of you who have already updated to the All Access Pass, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is a wonderful opportunity being able to serve those women coming out of domestic violence inside the AWISH Academy. And this summit is helping us to do just that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you do not want to upgrade to the All Access Pass, there's also an opportunity where you can go to that same page and make a donation. Now, you don't get the All Access Pass with that donation, but it's a great opportunity to give back a little bit. I know many of us inside the world of entrepreneurship and on this summit and such, you know, obviously we're in a better position. And so that opportunity to give back is always, always, always well appreciated. So guys, I will see you inside the summit bright and early tomorrow. I'm super, super stoked. We are going to be kicking off with some powerhouse sessions all about putting yourself back on your calendar and taking care of you so that you can step into your role as CEO and continue to systematize and scale. I will see everyone here in this same spot tomorrow. Bye, everybody.